we just got this in the mail. Let's check it out. It's an Ogery camping fan. Very famous on TikTok, I think. Here it is. Save that. It does come with a USB C to C, so you'll need a charging block. And pop that on there. I think I can just pull it out. There it is. So that is your Ogery fan. You'll notice that it does do a little swivel action. It also does this, right? You can hang it from that, but you can also, I think you can hang it upside down because it's got a thing here. I can pop it out. Ah, there it is. So you can hang it like that, and then you could turn this to have it face you if you want. And I don't know if it's got a charge on it or not, but we can find out here in a second. I think we turn this, yeah. Oh yeah. Yeah, it's working pretty good. We didn't even have to charge it. So you can turn it up, I guess, or turn it down. Notice these blue lights. I think it'll swivel. Yeah, it's got like a thing on there. So if I press this, it should swivel. Yeah. And then if I want to like turn it, I can angle it up so it blows right at you. So this would be good for camping, you know, outside, in a tent maybe. Keep you cool. Yeah, that's it. Also, it acts as a light. So, you know, in your camping, if you're camping in your tent, bam, you got a light. And you got, I think, 3 brightnesses. Oh, no, 2. 1, 2, 3. Yeah, 3. So that's that button right there. That's your swivel button. And I'm not sure what that does. Let's turn it. Let me turn it on and see. Let's see. So I think this is it says 1 hour, 2 hours, 4 hours. So you can set it for, you know, how many hours you want it to do. I think also you can set it for 30, 60, 80, and 90 on the swivel. You know what I mean, right here? You see? Depending how far you want it to swivel. 30. There's 80, 90, and 120. Yeah. So you got a timer, you got a swivel, you got velocity of wind by turning it right to go down, you go to the left. Your light. And that's it basically. It also comes with a remote control. You've got a little tab in the back you've got to take out, right? Put that over there. So now this should work. And should be pretty simple, I would think. Let's see if it just starts here. There we go. You hit the off button to start it. It turns it on and off. And then you got your light on one side. Fan, down, higher. Light on this side. Light off on this side. Oh, or maybe that way. I don't know. Well, that was a kind of a fail, but whatever. You turn the light off here. So anyway, you do get this. I do believe it fits in the back here. Just kind of slide it in there. And bam, Bob's your uncle. All right, if you like this video, subscribe to my channel and check out my other awesome videos where I show you stuff like this. Peace out.